Hi, this is Mr. Max with Sun for Mathematics. So I am quickly doing a revision question on indices and logarithms, basically the two things, as you can see, going hand in hand. So what you want to do here is you would want to use your power law, where you are going to take logs of both sides. But then I would suggest that you please put this in brackets. Okay, so from here onwards, you have to divide throughout by log 2. That's one way of doing it. Okay, so I suggest also that you get out your calculator, because it's going to be quite a lot of work that you're going to do. Right, so basically on this side now you have got this log 2 and this log 2 cancelling. Alright, so you're left here with 3x minus 1, and then here you're going to have in bracket x minus 2. But then if you are, let me just correct this little mistake that I have done there. So on the side it should be log 2, because you are dividing throughout by log 2. So you want to take your calculator and you would want to divide, let's just move it, you want to divide log 3 by log 2. Okay, so you say log 3, and then you can go ahead and divide that by log 2. Right, so you're going to get such a big number. So the number is, let's just bring that calculator back. So it's 1.5. Okay, so just make sure that we have our answer. So our answer is 1.58. It's a rather long number. 4962. 4962. Okay, let's just make sure again. 62501. Okay, 501. Okay, right, so the next thing you do is you're going to multiply this by what is inside the bracket. Okay, so you're going to say on this side is going to be 1,584962,501x minus, now when you multiply 2 with that, so you just have my 3x minus 1. So when you multiply our answer here, times it by negative 2, okay, I'll just say times 2. So I am going to get 3,1699. 3,1699. Let's just make sure we got everything. 25001. 25001. Okay, right? So we are now very close to getting where we need to be. So the objective would be for us to have our like terms. So the 1,584962,501x should join its friend. And negative 3,1699,25001, you add 1. Okay, you add this one here. So you have got the x's together, and then you have to like the numbers together. So from here, it's just a matter of using a calculator again. All right, so on the side of the x, so I'm going to, let me just clear this. So I'm going to say, because you're subtracting unlike terms, so it's 3 minus 1.584962,501. Okay, so that answer is 1.4. 1.4. Let's just correct that. Oh, let me just go back a bit. So it's a little technical. So you have the luxury of having your calculator there with you. So it's 1.4. So make sure 4 1503 1503, and then I saw 7 there. 499 x. And on this other side now, you're going to have your negative 3. Okay, so you're going to have your negative 3. So we're going to say negative 3.169925,001. We're going to add 1 to it. Well, in fact, it's just going to be negative 2 with the same story. So it's negative 2, 1699 25001. So the next step that you have, you're very close to the end, you have to divide in order to get at x alone. So we're going to divide this side here by 1.415037499. So we're also going to do the same on the other side. So it's 1.415037499. So we're going to divide that side. So that's going to leave us with the value of x. Right, so let's grab our calculator. And we're going to divide this answer here. We're going to divide it by 1.415037499. Okay, so just want to make sure that we're on the same path. So I'm going to get x as a negative 1.53. Okay, so this is our answer. So let me just quickly make sure from the calculator. So I'm going to have negative 1.53. Alright, so it's a very interesting question. Please go ahead and also see that the steps that I have taken, step by step. It involves quite a lot of calculations, and I've tried to write down everything without me rounding the question as it is. So just to recap, so you use your power law, and then you divide everything by log 2. Log 3 divided by log 2 is a calculated value of 1.5849 and so on. And then you multiply because you want to get the x terms, and then you also want to get your constant terms or your numbers together. Then you obviously make sure that you have that all the terms containing. So all the terms containing x comes on one side, okay, and eventually that is what that gives you, and all the numbers comes on one side. And once you have done that, you simply then just normally solve this like a linear equation, all right, and then you get to your answer with x giving you about negative 1.53. All right, so I hope this was a bit helpful. So go out there and conquer the world. Grade 11s and 12s, work and do revision so you can be ready for your examination.